Hello guys! I'm back again, back with another third vlog. So I'm going to unbox Tailwinds aircraft. It's a package that I ordered in Shopee. It's 500 pesos. I pay for it. So let's get unboxing. Guys, this is the AH Apache helicopter. Oh, here it is. Whoa. Apache helicopter. My #1 favorite. I'm guessing this came from World War I or World War II. It has a tiny gun under the AH Apache helicopter. It's because I'm collecting Tailwinds aircraft.
Aside from Transformers.
Yes, since it's my favorite also. I'm going to show you as well my second favorite, F-22. This is the old one. This has been bought by my father in the Tamimi, Saudi Arabia or Riyadh. This is the old Tailwinds, yeah, F-22. It's about the aircraft. It's about the battle from World War II of the USA Navy. The Army men soldiers, yeah. That's why I also love Army men, yeah. This guy is the AH Apache. Here's at the back, where you can get all the other vehicles. Here it is, guys. This is the old, this is the new. The other one is being bought by my father. This is the one that I bought for by my own money. Yeah. So that's it today, guys. So I hope you enjoy my video and I hope you will subscribe and like. Bye.
Bye.
Half point back to prop wash buys. You're on.